Today we're gonna show the puppies grow up. Just like small babies before and they grow this giant. Look, we'll see. Wait, did you like and subscribe? Only 6 years old to 20 years old can watch this. Please like and subscribe. They grew up. They grew up again. They grew up again. Wash my bed. Clean my bed. Look at me. This is me, Pimple. Wash my belly. And clean my belly. And this is Scarlet. Scarlet. I'm Pimple. Wash my belly. I am Scarlet. I'm my mom. I'm going to kiss you.
Ay, ako.
Ako gani. I do this every day.
I take it for the babies.
Today, my mom called me and said, let's babysit this guy. We grew up nothing. Wash my. Look at this, guys. Use one finger. Look. One finger, mine too. One finger. Look at this, guys. It can be only one finger. Sup-supila do. Oy, di kaya? Sup-supila? Sige na po, di try sila. Balik na, balik na. Where's my Billy? Where's my Billy? Where's my Billy? I'm gonna get down because I'm sleepy. I want to get out again. Wanna fix it the phone. Pony. Where's my Billy? I'm Black Nigga. No! I'm Pimple. Balik ko, Pimple. I am Black Nigga. My name is Black Nigga. Pimple is here. Di, wag. Isa ka to eh. Ay, ito eh. Ito si me. Nigga. Nigga. No, get out of my sight. I'm Pimple. Wash my belly. Clean my belly. Clean my belly. Clean my belly. Yeah. Hoy, hambi sa ganyang black. Uy, supilan ni. Ano kay Chip? Basta mo siya. Buak na baya sila doon. Susuk my hand. They're sleeping, guys. Let's wash your hands. You cannot have. You don't have milk. You have no milk. I have no milk. Yeah, we don't have. Naman mo may gatas dito. Papalit yung milk. But we don't have any money. Katukuan, bitaw, katubak. Kay naikuan. Ay, tulit. Naikuan, washer, toilet. Toilet. Oy, toilet. Oy, toilet. Toilet. Maklin siya ba? So, we
Just wash your hands.
Ako, mama, bitaw katunay kuan, daghan na kuan. Ani, player, nabalay, isel pod na.
So tomorrow guys, maglaag may SM uban si
Jiwa, joke lang, dunde.
pero I'd like to show because these are balloons. Mama, I think. I said I think dili ka pa ba na si Mama? But that's still the
Bye-bye. Hala. Wash my belly. Clean my belly. Dito.
Look guys, we're gonna go to our surroundings. Let's go! Sige, pam. Your surroundings? See it, right? It's so clear. The fuck?
Ako lang i-process mo ang ma-maintain na niyo mo. Ang ko namatay ka. Matay mo ka. Tug yun na kuning gamutan.
Let's do the sidelight.
Nahihilak ang kuan. Hilak ang itoys.
So that is a short vlog. So I hope you like and subscribe and goodbye.
Bye.